welcome back to my channel. I'm Sia. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So in our previous video we did about the uses of rock salt, that is NaCl, and one of the uses of NaCl was that it is used to prepare various other chemicals, and in today's video we are going to study two of them. So let's get started. So the first our salt is caustic soda, which is commonly known as sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. So now how this caustic soda or sodium hydroxide is formed? When NaCl plus H2O, that is when electricity is passed from brine, then sodium hydroxide is formed along with the formation of chlorine in water. Now you all will be thinking that what is this brine? इस बला का नाम ये brine होता क्या है? So concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called brine, that is NaCl and water, that is sodium chloride and water together are known as brine. So when electricity is passed through brine, then sodium hydroxide is formed along with chlorine and chlorine and our water. So now you all must wonder that this sodium hydroxide, chlorine and water have many other uses, and we are going to study these uses later on, like only in this video. But before that I want to tell you guys all that this preparation, that when electricity is passed through brine then these products are formed, this process is known as chlor-alkali process, because in this process chlorine is formed. So chlor stands for chlorine, alkaline stands for NaOH, because NaOH is an alkali. Fine, so chlor-alkali process. Now I've already told you that these sodium hydroxide, chlorine and water have their uses. So now we are going to study their uses. But before studying that, guys, please accept my apology, because in our products hydrogen is there instead of water. So NaOH and chlorine and hydrogen are formed. So now what are the uses of NaOH, chlorine and hydrogen? So the uses of chlorine are that chlorine is used for treating water, swimming pools, PVC, disinfectants, CFCs and pesticides, and our hydrogen is used in fuels, margarine, ammonia for fertilizers. And now what are the uses of NaOH? NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is used for degreasing metals, snaps and detergents, paper making and artificial fibers. So these are the uses of our products of chlor-alkali process. And now let me tell you all that chlorine and hydrogen are formed on anode and cathode respectively. Now you all will be thinking that why chlorine is formed on anode and our hydrogen is formed on cathode. Since you can see that anode is plus, that is positive electrode, and our cathode is negative electrodes. Fine, so let's first take the case of chlorine, that why chlorine is formed on anode only, why not cathode? Because chlorine is by formula Cl minus, therefore it is formed on anode, that is positive terminal, and we all know the basic principle of science that negative and positive attract each other. Similarly, hydrogen by formula is H plus. Fine, therefore it is formed on cathode, that is negative electrode. Fine, moving ahead to our second chemical which is formed by NaCl, that is bleaching powder, which is scientifically also known as calcium oxychloride, and its formula is CaOCl2. And this equation is its preparation, that how bleaching powder, that is our calcium oxychloride, is formed. Now you all will be thinking that I've told you that these two salts are made by the help of our NaCl. Fine, अब now you all will thinking कि यहाँ पे NaCl तो है ही नहीं, तो मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ कि ये NaCl से फॉर्म हुआ है? बिकॉज जो हमारा caustic soda था in our chlor-alkali process, along with caustic soda our chlorine was formed, and this formation of chlorine was only possible because of brine, that is our NaCl and water. Therefore indirectly this bleaching powder is formed with the help of क्लोरीन. अगेन इन हिंदी. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये जो क्लोरीन है, सॉरी मैंने आपको बताया कि ब्लीचिंग पाउडर जो है वो NaCl की हेल्प से बनता है, बट यहाँ पे NaCl तो है ही नहीं, तो हाउ कैन आई से कि ये ब्लीचिंग पाउडर NaCl की हेल्प से बना है. सो जो हमारा क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस था जिससे हमारा सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यानी कि कॉस्टिक सोडा बना, उससे क्या था, उसके प्रोडक्ट्स में क्लोरीन फॉर्म हुआ था. तो और जो क्लोरीन है ये ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को बनाने में फॉर्म होता है. तो इनडायरेक्टली हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो हमारा NaCl है, दैट इज़ जो हमारा सोडियम क्लोराइड है, इज़ यूज टू फॉर्म ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. सो नाउ हाउ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज फॉर्म व्हेन CaOH whole twice, that is slaked lime in solid form. When slaked lime in solid form reacts with chlorine, then our calcium oxychloride is formed along with water, and in this reaction it is water only, not hydrogen. Moving ahead to what are the use of bleaching powder. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था हमारे क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस में जो सारे के सारे तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स थे उनके कुछ ना कुछ यूजेस थे. सिमिलरली हमारे अब जो हमारा ब्लीचिंग पाउडर बना है हमारे विच इज़ इन द प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली, अब इसके भी कुछ यूजेस हैं. तो अब इसके क्या यूजेस हैं. फर्स्टली इट इज़ यूज फॉर ब्लीचिंग cotton and linen in textile industry, then it is used in cosmetics, then in laundry. It is also used to make drinking water germ free. Then अब ड्रिंकिंग वाटर जर्म फ्री इससे कैसे ब्लीचिंग पाउडर कैसे करेगा, क्यों, क्योंकि ये किसकी हेल्प से बना है, क्लोरीन की हेल्प से, एंड क्लोरीन इज़ यूज्ड टू डिसइंफेक्ट वाटर. And the last is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Now you all will be thinking that how bleaching powder is used as an oxidizing agent. So here is the reaction, that when our bleaching powder reacts with sulfuric acid, then our CaSO4, that is calcium sulfate, is formed along with chlorine and hydrogen, and this chlorine formed is used to oxidize, it is used as an oxidizing agent. So that's all for this video, and there are many more salts which are formed with the help of NaCl only. So please don't miss our other videos, that is our upcoming videos, and until my next video please stay tuned, and guys please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. It gives a lot of motivation to me, and if you like this video and if you found it helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up, then which I know you obviously did. You obviously enjoyed and learned many things from this video, and please stay tuned until my next video, and bye.